So hi guys, basically this is I've just seen this in my subscription, and yes, I am subscribed to Morgz because he kind of made my channel. For once, I really hope that's clickbait. Like, I actually do. I really do hope that is actually clickbait. Let's just start reacting to it, and I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to expect.
Accident! Are you kidding me?
Now let's go and surprise him, and he can throw that old one in the bin.
Just open it, please, and have a look.
Are you serious? You know that video I made saying Morgz has crossed the line? That was just a bit of a joke. This is actually crossed the line. He's destroyed. Mate, if I ever got reward or anything from YouTube, like, I would treasure it forever. Just destroying the...
Martin, we've had our bit of fun. I've tried to shoot it with a Nerf gun. You've tried to box it, but now
Wait, did she say she's trying to shoot with a Nerf gun?
We're about to smash it onto concrete. Good luck, Morgz, with the play button.
I don't want to watch this.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. I think it broke.
Mate, are you serious? I don't believe it. I'm sorry, I don't believe it.
Oh my gosh! The diamond play button's fallen out! Look at that, Martin! It's completely missing!
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. It's part of the diamond. It's all smashed.
Well, you know what to do then, Martin.
No, I can't believe they're destroying that. Mate, honestly, if I ever got anything from YouTube, anything, look, I would treasure it and make sure, and they're destroying it? Really? Come on, man. I saw this on his Snapchat story the other day saying he accidentally broke his diamond play button. And I was like, what the hell? I put a picture on the screen. And I was like, that must be fake. And then they actually make a video of them destroying it. I'm sorry, I can't watch this.
We're throwing the diamond play button through the window 30 feet up onto the floor below.
30 feet? What?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. It doesn't look any different.
I can't believe it.
Apart from a few more scuffs on the front.
I can't believe it! This thing must be indestructible. This diamond play button is actually tougher than I thought. What do we do next?
Well, clearly, Joe, dropping it doesn't break it. So I think we need some weapons. And I have the perfect weapon, which I think will do the trick. This is my homemade weapon, the double destroyer, with an axe and a sledgehammer. Let's put this up against the diamond play button.
I can't believe they're doing this.
Finishes the job. 1, go!
Oh, Martin!
I'm so thankful, like, I'm literally so lucky to have them by my side, always.
He's broke my destroyer!
That weapon destroyed everything in the weapons video, and the play button has just smashed it in half, like it's nothing!
I will destroy you!
Martin! Calm down! Goodness me! Somebody's gonna get hurt!
Guys, look at that! One big hit with the hammer.
How can you... Clearly, obviously, it's a Morgz video, so obviously he knows this is happening. Like, how... I don't get, how can you do this? Obviously, Morgz knows this is happening. Obviously, he does, but it's just crazy, man. Like, how, man? Like, it's just...
Well, we're definitely making progress, guys, but I don't know how we're going to destroy this.
Check it out, guys. In front of the front wheel is the diamond play button.
And I think you guys know what's going to happen next. I'm going to run that darn thing over. Here we go!
Right, so that's obviously not going to do anything to it, is it? It's literally... It's metal. It's not going to bloody... It's not going to... A car's not going to really do it, is it?
Oh! I think we've landed on top of it! it? I wonder if it's crushed it or not. Comment down below. Do you think the car will have destroyed it? Okay, guys, the games are over now. It's time to get serious.
Is that a blowtorch? It's metal. It's not going to do anything, is it?
Been dropped, run over, hit, but can it stand being burnt by this blowtorch? We are about to find out.
It's metal! You can't burn metal with a blowtorch. It just makes it hot. Like, do you remember that little trend, the hot knife challenge, what, millions of views? It just makes it hot. It doesn't burn it. The only reason they're doing this is to bloody extend the watch time on the video.
Can you guys hit the like button and subscribe?
See, so they're literally burning they're burning metal with a blowtorch, and then Morgz like, subscribe to the channel. What? Why is she wearing a face mask? Why is she wearing one of these? It's metal.
Here we go, Jill. Here we go. Come on. Yeah.
Do something. Why's he not doing anything? Nothing's happening. Not even melting.
Nothing has happened.
I'm literally losing brain cells watching this video. Like, they really have crossed the line, haven't they? They really have. This is hard to watch. Seriously.
Are you ready, Jill?
This.
I don't think I've ever used one of those before. Here we go, guys. It's making dents in it, guys. Martin, you have a go.
I can't believe I'm watching this. Like, I've seen someone destroy their silver one, like smashing the glass in it. That's all I've seen. I've never seen a diamond one. Like, come on, man.
Guys, this is crazy. It's making loads of little dents in the plank. We've got to keep going.
Oh!
Oh my God, Martin, you've completely obliterated.
What, does he appreciate anything?
Look at all those dents. Oh, it's so sharp.
Now, there's only one more thing to do. Chainsaw through the Morgz writing on the bike.
I'm sorry I keep pointing, it's so hard to watch.
Able to look over there and see my diamond play button makes me so happy. Where's my diamond play button? It was right there. Has my mind done something?
Right, so can I just say something? Obviously, he's bought another play button, right? But he knows. Obviously, it's a Morgz video, so he obviously knows they're destroying it. But it's just crazy, mate. Honestly, it really is how. Like, this is Morgz doing it, by the way. Like, sorry to say it, but this is Morgz doing it. He's always had this idea in his head, should I destroy my play button? And then obviously he bought a new one, didn't he? But I'm just saying, you know what I mean? It's just crazy, like what this guy has done to get views. It's just mad, honestly, seriously.
No way. They can't have done that. They surely can't have done that. Let's go check it out.
Just log in.
Yeah, I know he's vlogging, but I've come to see. Do you know where my diamond play button is? I don't know. It was like on my window ledge this morning.
It's in the wash, I think. It's wash day.
Did you just say wash day?
Yeah, Thursday's wash day.
Wash day? What? What?
Martin, is she being serious? Wash day?
Yeah, wash day, Thursday.
I'm kind of getting a bit suspicious because all day I've been hearing weird noises and bangs and screaming, and now my play button's missing, so you can understand I'm getting a bit worried. So hang on a sec, is that Is that a chainsaw? What are you doing with a chainsaw?
Oh my god.
What the hell are you doing with a chainsaw? Get that away from me.
Doing some chainsawing, obviously.
Well, what are you chainsawing?
Mate.
Bushes.
Martin, what the hell's going on?
Just being honest, Morgan.
What?
Just being honest.
You're chainsawing the bushes?
Yeah.
What's all that on the floor then? Is that like... What's that? On the floor?
I didn't even notice them, Morgan.
No.
And hang on a sec, what the hell is... what the hell is that? Is that in the middle of my diamond play button?
No, that's silly, Morgan.
Mum, seriously, I'm putting my camera down. This is not a joke. What are you doing? What are you two doing? Why are you
This is
put your
so
camera away?
It's
staged.
vlogging, Morgan. It's a vlogging day.
Yeah.
Go back to your room if you don't want to be in the
That's
vlog.
my... What is that? Behind your back?
Where?
You're being weird. I can tell something's up. Just
Oh my
show me.
god.
What is it? Just be
All
honest.
right, Morgan. All right. There you go, Morgan. There you go.
I can't wait for his reaction here.
This is a fake button. They're pranking me. Look, they've got a fake diamond play button and they've destroyed it. Look at that.
Morgan,
Uh.
it is actually your diamond play button.
Yeah. Of course it is. Of course it is.
We just dropped it, Morgan.
This is actually mine.
I'm afraid so, mate.
Accident.
So I'm sorry, mate, yes.
Accident! Accident! Are you kidding me? Accident! That isn't an accident! It's got dents all over it!
Ah, Morgz. Fake reaction. This is wow.
It's got chunks missing out of it, it's got cuts in it! There's a damn chainsaw there! This is an accident! No, hold up, wait for that! Get that camera out of my face!
Morgan,
Get it out of my face!
Morgan!
Get it out of my face, man!
calm down, Morgan.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Get out of my face, man! I don't get why you would do this!
Morgan?
It's not a joke! Why would you do this?
Morgan, it's just a vlog. You know, it's just content. We just did it for content. You know that.
What?
You're a YouTuber.
You know what would be funny content? Me getting this table and flipping it! Yeah, this plant over here. Maybe I'll get this plant full of dirt and throw that right there! Pretty good content.
This
Since
is-
you two are clearly so bothered about ruining my most prized possession for content. You know what I think would be funny? Why don't I kick you both out of the damn house? I'll kick you both out of the house. And then where are you going to go? You're going to go on the streets again?
Yeah, here's his house, isn't it? Fair enough. Here's his house.
Morgan with his brand new play button.
Wow. It's not the
Look at
same.
that, guys. Now let's go and surprise him, and he can throw that old one in the bin.
Oh my. Morgan,
What is...
are you okay?
Well, look okay. What are you
Really
doing?
bad.
You feel bad? Well, you should feel bad. Why would you do this to me? I just don't get it.
Morgan, you know you said, are we still filming? Why? The video isn't actually over yet.
I don't care, honestly. At this rate, I
Don't
wish it
care.
was. Just all that you're doing is you're just messing around with me and just upsetting me for no reason. You. No way. I don't believe.
What is this music? He's just so stupid.
You. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. You're probably just getting my hopes up again, just rubbing it in even more, rubbing the salt into the wounds.
Morgan, this is for you.
Wait, hold on. Why have you got the box? I don't want the box of the broken play button.
Open it, Morgan, and have a look.
It's a new one.
Find out.
Are you pranking me again?
Then Morgan.
Oh my. Yo, no way. No way.
It's yours, Morgan. It's a brand new one.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wait. Wait, does that?
And you can see they've already touched it. Look at the fingerprints there. That means they're already... honestly, it's a Morgz video. What do you expect?
Oh my god, that actually says my name! That's actually mine! Ah, that's actually my play button! How did you even get that? You must have paid for it, right? How much did that cost? I can't believe it, guys. This is actually legit. Like, this is actually a brand new play button. A brand new Morgz play button for 10 million subs. Guys, I cannot believe it. Mum and Martin destroyed my play button and then got me a brand new one. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. I didn't even think you could do that.
Obviously, before you get mad in the comments, obviously, Morgz bought... Obviously, of course he knew about it. He bought... Obviously, he saw that you could buy another play button, so he bought another one. And then obviously he wanted a good video idea, so then what he did is destroy the previous one. Told his mum and told his mum and Martin to do it for YouTube views. So yeah, it's basically all this has turned out. It's just to be for your views and money. Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy the video, if you've never seen my face before, honestly, click the subscribe button there. I really appreciate it. I guess check out this video here. Good video. It's one of my recent ones. Go check that out. Check this one up here. I don't know. It's just like, I guess that's a decent video. And subscribe here. Alright, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.